Welcome back to my channel Msquare Tech. Open your Mikrotik router. I am just connecting my Mikrotik router. After logging, I am just showing you. Here you can see CPU 100%. And if I show you resources, here you can see total memory 64 megabyte and free memory 34 megabyte. I mean 30 megabyte has been used. You can check your CPU performance from this option. CPU has been full. Here you can see load. Here you can see loading is showing 100%. How to solve this problem? First of all, you just go to system and go to logging. From this menu, just click on actions and double click on disk option. Here is the option lines per files. I will keep this amount 1 and apply, then OK, and then again double click on disk option and then I will repeat this 1000 lines per files, then apply OK. Then go to memory. I will apply on memory, double click on it, and here you can see lines. I will type here 1 and apply, then OK. Then again login, entering memory, and I will repeat 1000, then apply, then OK. Then go to IP. After this apply, you just restart your Mikrotik and then again go to IP and DNS. Here you can see I have already marked this option, allow remote request. I will disable this, unmark it, and apply OK. Here you can see that CPU performance has been reduced. I hope after applying on your Mikrotik problem will be solved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.